Cotter joint, socket end, cotter, spigot end, rod, D equal to diameter of rod, D1 equal to outside die of socket, D2 equal to die of spigot or inside die of socket, D3 equal to cotter die of spigot, D4 equal to collar dia of socket, A equal to distance from end of slot to end of spigot, C equal to distance from end of slot to end of socket, T equal to thickness of cotter, B equal to width of cotter, L equal to length of cotter. Contact coaxial rod to transmit tensile or compressive force. Application of cotter joint. Principle of wedge action is used in cotter joint. Cotter joint has mainly three parts: spigot, socket, and cotter. Cotter has uniform thickness with taper width. Taper is provided for wedge action and easy dismantling of joints. Advantage of cotter joint: assembly and dismantling. Quick and simple. Wedge action develop a very high tightening force which prevent loosening of part in service. Simple to design and manufacture. Application of cotter joint. Joint between piston and crosshead of steam engine. Joint between the piston rod and the tail and or pump rod. Joint between the slide spindle and fork of the valve mechanism. Foundation bolt. Design of cotter joint. Design of rod on the basis of tensile failure. For safe design, sigma induced is less than equal to sigma permissible. Sigma induced equal to P by A और sigma permissible equal to tensile stress. A equal to pi by 4 into D square. D is greater than equal to under root 4 P by sigma T pi. Dimension related to die of rod. Thickness T equal to 0.31 into D. Thickness of spigot collar T1 equal to 0.45 into D. Collar dia of spigot D3 equal to 1.5 into D. Collar dia of socket D4 equal to 2.4 D. A equal to C equal to 0.75 into D. Design of spigot on the basis of tensile failure. Sigma induced is less than equal to sigma permissible. P by A is less than equal to sigma permissible, where A equal to pi by 4 into D2 square minus D2 into T. Design of spigot on the basis of shear failure. Tau induced equal to P by 2A D2. Design of spigot on the basis of crushing failure. Sigma induced crushing equal to P by T into D2, where T equal to thickness of rod or D equal to dia of spigot. Design of socket on the basis of tensile failure. Tensile failure of socket. Sigma induced is less than equal to sigma permissible equal to P by pi by 4 into D1 square minus D2 square minus D1 minus D2 into T is less than equal to sigma permissible. Design of socket on the basis of shear failure. tau induced is less than equal to tau permissible. P by 2 into d4 minus d2 into c is less than equal to tau permissible. Design of socket on the basis of crushing failure. Crushing failure of socket sigma c induced is less than equal to sigma c permissible. Sigma c equal to compressive shear stress. P by d4 minus d2 into t is less than equal to compressive stress. Design of cutter on the basis of shear failure. Tau induced is less than equal to tau permissible. P by A is less than equal to tau permissible, where A equal to 2 into B into T. Design of cutter on the basis of bending failure. Moment equal to P by 2 into X minus P by 2 into Z. M equal to P by 2 into under bracket D by 2 plus 1 by 3 into D4 minus D2 by 2 minus P by 2 into half D2 by 2. M equal to P by 24 into D2 plus 2 D4. For safe design, sigma induced is less than equal to sigma permissible. 6m by T B square less than equal to sigma permissible. Selection of material for cutter joint. Basic factor while considering material selection: availability, cost, mechanical property, manufacturing consideration. Factor of safety for rod spigot and socket we have to take factor of safety 6. For cutter we have to take factor of safety 4.